Welcome to the Solo Life, a place where you're gonna have some tips on how to live a solo life. So today let's talk about resilience. What is resilience? Resilience is your ability to move forward despite the daily challenges. So you are able to live the good life. And the good life is a life that you live by strengthening your resilience muscle. So even if you slip, you get back on track and you keep on going and you keep on going until the next challenge, and you adapt again and you keep on moving forward. So to be able to do that, you have to work on 6 pillars. The first one is the most important, and that's your vision. What do you want from your life? What are your goals? What fulfills you? And from there on, you're going to be working on composure, rhythm, health, persistence, and your network support. We're going to be seeing all of those pillars and work on them. So you're going to be extremely resilient and you're going to be living that good life. Remember, the good life has nothing to do with the wealth. The good life is you being able to use your abilities, your strength for a higher purpose than just yourself. Are you ready? Come on, let's work on them. See you soon.